In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for Content Calendar. If you manage blogs, social posts, videos, or campaigns, a clear calendar view makes planning and coordination so much easier. We'll build a clean content calendar inside an existing Monday board, customize how it's displayed, invite the right people to see it, and fine-tune the settings so it reflects exactly what your team needs. Start on the Monday.com homepage and head into your workspace. Once you're in, open the board where you already track your content or marketing tasks. This might be a project board you use daily. The key is that your items already have dates or timelines because the calendar pulls from those fields. At the top of your board, you'll see a row of views. Look for the plus icon near the existing views, typically next to the Timeline tab. Click that plus button to add a new view. Monday lets you keep multiple perspectives on the same data, which is great for switching between planning and execution without duplicating work. From the list of available views, choose Calendar. This instantly creates a calendar view tied to your board. You'll now see your content laid out across days, weeks, and months based on the date or timeline columns in your items. If something doesn't appear, it usually means that item doesn't have a date yet. Add a date in your board's table whenever you're ready, and it will show up on the calendar automatically. With the calendar open, you can switch how the information is presented. You're able to flip between a pure calendar, a table, or a split view that shows both. The full calendar is great for big picture planning and spotting gaps. The table is perfect when you need a compact list to scan fields like status or owner. Split view gives you the best of both worlds. You can review details in the table while seeing how everything lines up on the calendar at the same time. Next, look for the person option. Use this to add or display people associated with your items so viewers can easily see who's responsible for each piece of content along the timeline. This is helpful for editors, writers, designers, and stakeholders who want quick visibility into ownership without digging into each individual task. If your board already has a people column, make sure it's connected so the calendar can surface those assignments. You can also enhance the calendar with widgets. Add elements like charts, numbers, or graphs to bring key performance indicators into view. For example, a simple number widget can highlight how many items are scheduled this week, while a chart can summarize content types or statuses. Keep widgets targeted and relevant so the calendar remains clear and actionable. When planning intensity changes, you can switch between month, week, and day views. Use the month view to map out campaigns and anchor dates. Shift to the week view during production sprints to confirm handoffs and deadlines. Zoom into the day view when you need a detailed look at publishing times or tight turnarounds. Changing the scale helps you move smoothly from strategic planning to precise scheduling. Finally, open the calendar's settings to customize what's visible and how it looks. Adjust which columns appear so you see only the fields that matter, like status, owner, or content type. Tweak color variables to make stages stand out at a glance. Think planning, in progress, ready to publish, and completed. You can also refine what the calendar treats as the primary date source if your board has multiple date columns. These small adjustments go a long way in making the calendar intuitive for your team and consistent with your workflow. And that's it. You've created a powerful content calendar view without changing your underlying board. Use it to spot scheduling conflicts, communicate ownership, and keep everyone aligned from idea to publish. Thanks for watching, and enjoy planning your content with confidence inside Monday.com.